I know why the cage bird sings. He sings because he's too polite to scream. Tired of all these idiotic human beings who pretend to know what he's going through. All you do is smile and nod. Oh, you understand? No, you don't. You're a facade. My whole life has been hard, covered with bruises and scars, walking through the schoolyard. Misunderstood by his peers, unusual fears, but not scared to bleed you if you come near. Always spoke from the heart, never the one to brag about money or cars. Humble, laughs at himself when he slips and stumbles. Never scared to take a tumble, reckless, being a daredevil on his checklist. Takes a shot of adrenaline with his breakfast. Appreciate life now before it's too late. Tomorrow you can be someone that everyone hates. Feeling like I'm flying a wall in such a big world. So many voices, so many directions, lessons, obsessions, confessions. Better count your blessings. Appreciate everything now before it's gone, and you gotta move on. Tonight's dusk, tomorrow's new dawn. Live on, prosper, graduate, be a doctor, never a pill popper, a showstopper and a cash copper. Work hard, perseverance forever pays. Make an impact, something that lasts throughout the days. Keep haters out of your way. Anyone in my face is an inch from a quick fade. Sleepy, tired of these obnoxious morons near me. Airheads in my deep space like I'm daydreaming. I sit in silence, but I'm mentally screaming, fiending for a little silence or at least a little kindness. Appreciate life now before it's too late. 'Cause tomorrow you can be someone that everyone hates. Insightful, spiteful, but would rather kick back, chill with a pipe full. Fearless, never felt the need for a best. Figured it'd be best to be put to rest. High flying, has hopes and dreams, visions of the future. Fills the gaps in his life with lyrical sutures. Call me a doctor, a therapist, those around me. But no one's listening to me, and I'm drowning. So I sit in the back in silence, blank stare, not even frowning.